how to buy Layer token on metamask. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, as you can see, it's available right now on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on metamask, what you need to do, copy the token like this from here, as you can see. But for that, or first, you need to add the Solana network to metamask. So for that, we can't be able to buy this token directly on metamask, but we need a bridge for that. So the bridge will be able here as a REFERRAL. So as you can see, go to REFERRAL. Now after that, what you need to do, we need to connect our wallet, our metamask wallet. So click on metamask. So after you connect your metamask wallet to REFERRAL, what you need to do, as you can see, click on continue. Make sure to install a Solayer wallet too. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, as you can see here, now go back and copy the token address from here. After that, go back to REFERRAL and click here, and as you can see, paste the token address here. So this is how you can click on it and click on I understand. So after this token, it will be up here. Select the token that you want to buy, for example Solana, but make sure that you have enough Solana on your metamask wallet. So after that, type how much you want to buy, and as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on more info to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your metamask. There is no direct way to buy this token on metamask. The only way is by using the REFERRAL as a bridge. So this is how to buy Layer token on metamask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.